If you are a business owner, one of your major priorities is how to scale your business. And you cannot scale your business if your business does not get more visible. So you are going to be looking at how to scale visibility and as well your profits. And how can you do this with your smartphone? You need to learn how to leverage on every tool that you can lay your hands on to grow your business. And in this video, let's see how you can leverage on your smartphone to grow your business.
If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching.
This presentation is titled Smartphone Productivity for Business Growth, where we are going to be looking at, of course, how to grow your business leveraging on your smartphone. And in the objectives we have that we're going to talk about smartphone productivity, the introduction, the purpose of the course, why should you become productive with the use of your smartphone as a business. Then we're going to look at some applications, smartphone applications that will help you to be more productive. We are going to look at smartphone and your business, and then finally we are going to be looking at some common functions of your smartphone that you can actually use in your business and you're probably not using it. The smartphone technology, I realize, is one of the tech products that people are not fully utilizing fully. We still think or limit the functions of the smartphone to just the basic things, make calls, answer calls, social media and all. But there are so many more things that you can do, whether as a student, as a business, or whoever you are, that you can leverage on your smartphone to perform functions that you never knew or you would have needed a laptop for. Now, this presentation actually doesn't come to say that laptops are useless these days, but no, we are actually talking about things you can do on the go using the smartphone that you already have, instead of trying to search up for your laptop to open and boot and then start doing the stuff. So what does smartphone productivity mean? It says the act of offering services to individuals, leveraging on the right or efficient usage of smartphone applications. It is actually the smartphone applications that are softwares that enables the users to maximize the potentials of their smartphone. Now, in this offering services, there could be simple web designing, content management, visual assistant. I have someone that is into visual assistant and she makes a whole lot of money on monthly basis, and all she does is with her phone. So there could be, for the right and efficient usage of your smartphone, that is knowing the extra untapped functions of an application and harnessing them. All right, and you can use or learn about these functions of the applications on your phone, leveraging on Google or searching it up on Google or searching it up on YouTube. Then I talked about smartphone applications underlined too, which I said over 3 million apps are on Play Store and so many also on your iPhone's App Store, right? And these are meant for specific tasks designed to enhance the improved AI of smartphones. Now, these applications by different developers, they are trying to utilize the improvement in the artificial intelligence on your smartphone, making it more like a small robot, right? So you can do more than you would ever have done when the smartphone was just a mobile device or a cell phone, basically for making and answering calls. I hope you remember the Nokia 3310 days, right? In fact, the Nokia 3310 also had more functions, right? I'm talking about the land phone period, okay, when the phone was just for telecommunication, make call, answer call. So what are these smartphone applications? I said they are softwares of smartphones through which a user can perform several tasks using the smartphone. So there are applications that are free on your app stores. There are premium applications. In fact, most applications actually are meant for profit purpose, and there are mod applications, although that this is like a hacked application which I would not recommend you using. So what are the smartphone applications and how to find them? Like I used to tell people that people recycle applications. There's no one does the what I call app research, right? Going to Play Store or going to App Store to search up for applications that could be used for one thing or the other. In fact, people usually come to ask me, what can I do? Which application can I do or find to do this or that with my phone, right? But actually, you can find all of these applications either on Google, on YouTube, on F-Droid, or even your App Store. Next, we look at how you can employ your smartphone in your business. Now, if I know very well the common thing amongst businesses is to deliver services to make money, right? And it is a priority for every business to keep looking for how more people can discover them, how more people can be served, how more results can be produced in the company, in the business, because it is actually in the results that yields profit. So depending on your kind of business, then you can determine the function you would want to employ your smartphone for. But for all of those things I've listed, your smartphone can actually be used for them. So I listed under smartphone use for business visibility advertising, that is marketing, where you can use your phone to shoot a product that you just added to your business, or you can use your phone for the purpose of videography, just like the video you're currently watching was actually created on a phone. And I listed some applications that can be used for these, right? I listed Gcam, I listed your mobile phone camera, and the rest of them. You, of course, should know the importance of networking in your business, either networking with your clients or networking with other businesses. And social media applications are just what you need, right? You can also talk about Zoom, the application that went viral last year, and Cisco WebEx, there's Google Meet. All these can actually be used for video conferencing or also to do your presentation, especially this time that we are social distancing. So your smartphone can actually come very helpful right now. Then in selling, social media marketing is very important. I can't underestimate or overemphasize the importance of how Facebook advertising, Google advertising, Instagram advertising, WhatsApp marketing, or even the newly introduced WhatsApp features that now enable some countries to send money, right, using their WhatsApp, even just as it was already existing in WeChat in China, right? So your smartphone can actually be used for selling, right, via Facebook advertising, via social media marketing in general. Talking about the smartphone applications that will help you to be productive with your phone. I'm sorry I actually limited this to Androids. Okay, I already did a review on Google Primer. You can check it out on my channel. Then there is text to speech. There's so many applications right here. Now the thing is not actually in finding the application. Smartphone productivity lies in right and efficient use of the application that you just discovered. And I said again that you can learn how to use any of these applications that you found using YouTube or Google. Just simply search how can I use or how to use or whatever tutorial on any application. You see an avalanche of that application you are searching for. Finally, business functions of the smartphone. What can you do with your smartphone to grow your business? Now, there is one page website. I actually tried to use Squarespace on my smartphone and it wasn't quite bad, right? There's also Wix. I think I've done a video on how you can turn your smartphone to a desktop. That is when you turn your Chrome browser to into the desktop mode, you can actually use it to do some things that were not able to be done with your phone. I also talked about corporate letterhead and presentation. Some of the things that we do in our company, we actually create the letterhead and write the letter and send to the receiver, right? The presentation right now you're looking at is done on my phone. We talked about team management with Kaizela. Kaizela is a Microsoft application, really awesome, right? There's also Microsoft Teams, right, that you can also use to manage your team. Financial management and bookkeeping with Vyapar, that's Vyapar, is also an awesome application, right? Videography, I can't talk about any other application for this but KineMaster. Business daily planning, so many applications is also available, like Rike, where you can also manage the projects that you're actually handling on your business on daily basis. Evernote is also there for that purpose. Graphics designing, Canva is one of the best. We have Pixart, we have Snapseed, we have Pixel Lab, right, that can actually be used to create graphics for your content or graphics for advertising of your business, right? So the next is social media management. We have several applications like Crowdfire. Crowdfire is one application that does not just allow you manage your social media pages, but also can be used for content generation, right? So marketing, handling international payments with Flutterwave, Paystack, and the rest of them. All of these applications, even PayPal is already on application also. And the last but not the least, it is cloud storage operation with your Google Drive, with your Dropbox, with your Mega application. All of these, this is not just the only thing, I just listed these ones for the purpose of helping your business to scale. So like I said in the introduction, that smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction. Now you can actually find people who are supposed to be working or getting stuff done at their workplaces being distracted by their smartphone. They are on social media, or they are doing something or the other instead of actually doing the work they are meant to be doing. So getting your team to understand and learn how to employ their smartphone, or even getting yourself to understand how to employ your smartphone to still be productive at your business or in your business, building more results, making more money, it's very important. And that is what we do at Movio Consult, teaching you how to leverage on your smartphone to be more productive. Again, this disclaimer: if your laptops are doing effectively well, that's awesome, but we also need to try out new things, maybe just to add some flavor in your business, right? Just in case the employee or you are not doing odd stuff, or you don't have the strength to keep your eyes glued on your laptop, you can do so with your phone too, right? You don't need to exempt your phone from your business because you already have a laptop. Leveraging on every tool that you can lay your hand on to grow your business is very, very essential, and that is the purpose of you embracing smartphone productivity in your business. If you need us to teach you on all of these things and more, you can always contact Movio Consult on the website you're seeing on your screen. You can also reach out via any of the contacts on the description of this video, and we will be there to train you or your team on how you can leverage on your smartphone to be more productive, that is to yield more results in your business, and of course to scale profitability. Thank you for watching, and if you'd want to watch more videos, I have lots of videos on smartphone productivity on my channel. You can tap the link, any of the videos that is showing on your screen right now, and the circle just below is where you can subscribe to my channel to get more videos.